Hello everyone, back with an EDD update. Now we're continuing to monitor the ongoing situation with PUA Work History Documentation requests that have gone out and the issues some claimants are currently experiencing. Meanwhile, the next batch of overpayment notices have gone out, informing claimants they now owe the EDD funds they previously received on a UI claim, and those EDD tax forms needed in order to file federal income taxes have been released. Now, while only 20% of claimants have so far responded to those PUA work history documentation requests, a majority of those submitted documents have been accepted, but we're still getting reports from some claimants who have stated their documents were incorrectly rejected or they do not have the necessary items to upload to the EDD to fulfill this requirement. If you do believe you've in fact submitted the right documents and feel they were incorrectly rejected, what you will want to do before filing that appeal is contact the EDD by phone and request to speak to a Tier 2 representative who will have the ability to re-examine those documents while on the phone with you to make a determination on whether or not the original rejection needs to be reversed. There have been many reports from claimants indicating the rejection was in fact reversed for them. The documents that need to be submitted will all depend on your previous employment situation. For those self-employed prior to PUA, submitting your federal tax return form 1040 and your Schedule C will be the best items to submit, while those with traditional W-2 employment will want to submit paycheck stubs, their W-2 form, and tax returns. If your items are rejected or you do not have any documents to submit to the EDD to complete the PUA Work History Documentation request, the EDD will mail out two documents, which will be the Notice of Determination for PUA, which will indicate your PUA claim is disqualified, and a Notice of Potential Overpayment informing you of a balance now owed to the EDD, like seen here. Now, if you're among those claimants who do not have any documents to submit, you will want to proceed with the appeals process using the appeal form you will receive in the mail once you receive that letter of determination. You will have the opportunity to state your case and the circumstances around you filing for that PUA claim. Make sure to be as thorough as possible when completing this. As a reminder, the appeals process with the EDD is currently averaging a 6-month wait time. Also keep in mind that EDD is not the one overseeing the appeals, but rather the State of California Unemployment Insurance Appeals Board, where your appeal will be reviewed by an administrative law judge. Meanwhile, we're getting reports of additional overpayment notices going out to claimants, which is a result of PUA work history documentation being rejected, as well as former employers disputing an unemployment claim. The reasons of the rejection will all depend on the type of claim you have, but a claimant has the right to appeal the notice and request an overpayment waiver. And finally, a reminder, those unemployment tax forms for the 2021 tax year are now available online and continue to be sent out by mail for those who choose to receive them by paper. Unemployment benefits are subject to federal income taxes, but not California state income taxes. To access the forms online, simply log in your UI Online account, click on Payments, and then Form 1099-G under Payment Activity, like seen here, to access your most recent tax form from the EDD. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.